7th April is celebrated as the World Health Day. So I wish you all a happy World Health Day. On this occasion, I would be discussing about the women's health and the fetal health. In the current time, prenatal diagnosis and genetic counseling has taken a big leap. And this is the need of every pregnant woman. And we divide the women into the two groups, the low risk and the high risk group, based upon the family history. The major aim of the prenatal diagnosis and screening is the prevention of the mental and physical handicap in the ongoing pregnancy. And these children can be born to any pregnant woman, and the incidence is as high as 3 to 5% in the general population. So, in a low risk women, we do certain screening tests at around 12 weeks of the pregnancy by the ultrasound and the blood test, by which we identify that whether she is a high risk for the Down syndrome, or whether there is a high risk of thalassemia, or there is any congenital abnormalities. So then to these women, we offer the invasive testing. Screening tests are simple blood tests. In the invasive testing, we put the needle into the womb of the uterus and into the womb, and then select the fetal samples and subject it for the genetic testing depending upon the indication. Similarly, we have the other group, which is the high risk, where there is already a family history in the form of previous affected brother or the previous affected child with thalassemia, Down syndrome, spinal muscular atrophy. So these are already at a high risk. So in these women, for these disorders, definitely we will not screen. We will directly do the invasive testing like CVS or amniocentesis. So what is CVS? CVS is the invasive testing where we take a small piece of the placenta, and the duration is about 12 to 13 weeks of the pregnancy, and the amniocentesis is taking out of the amniotic fluid, and usually we start doing after the 16th week of the pregnancy. Both these procedures are ultrasound guided and OPD procedures, so no admission is required, and in amniocentesis no anesthesia is needed. In CVS, anesthesia can be given, and there is slight procedure related risk of abortion, 0.1 to 1%. So basically these procedures are safe. So whenever you have been advised these procedures, there is no need to panic around. These procedures done in the good hands, these procedures are very safe. So major aim is prevention of mental and the physical handicap in the ongoing pregnancy, and this we can do by the prenatal screening and diagnosis, and this is a must for all pregnant women. So on this Women Day, I suggest all of you to take care of the fetal health, so that at the end of the pregnancy you have a healthy baby. Thank you.